Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. I picked up a lot, so we're gonna get right into it. Let me show you what I got. Another beautiful sleigh. And I paid, let's see, this was 99 cents. But this is just right. Some of the glitter is falling off, so this is going to be a DIY, coming probably in November of 2020, so be on the lookout for that. But I've been wanting a sleigh, and then all of a sudden now I'm just coming across them, so I'm glad I didn't have to spend a small fortune to get my sleigh. And then I found these cute little baskets. Get 3 in a pack for 49 cents. There's 3 of them. So this would be for my Easter. Thought that was a good little find. And I found these glasses. There's no name on them, but if anybody knows that, where these were made, or these are just plain, glasses. These were 49 cents. So I got 4 of these. And when this video was filmed, you will probably have already seen these on my table for my St. Patrick's Day. Found these, it says Harman for your computer speakers. Now, I didn't get a chance to test these out. I normally test out electronics before I purchase them. But everything that I bought from this thrift store that I go to, everything usually works. So I paid $3. I mean, that's just, if they don't work, it's just $3 that I've lost. But I'm praying that they do. And it has all the cords and everything. So I thought that was a great buy. For $3, I have speakers when I do my lives, And then you may have seen this cute little lobster dish that I had displayed on my table for Mardi Gras. Now I washed the price tag off, but it was $1.49. And just to show you inside, did pay $1.49. And this is the detail, and it has like a shell on it, a lemon wedge over here. You can see it, lemon, and looks like maybe some oysters, and maybe that's a scallop. But I thought this was a beautiful find, and I've already used it again on my table. This is going to go great for the summer, out in the back, underneath my umbrella, when I serve, when I'm at the grill, cooking my lobster tails, because I love seafood. And then I found the Recollections punch, and if you are into the stamp world, these can be kind of pricey at Hobby Lobby, and I paid $1.49, and it's just the circle one. And then all you do, with your cardstock, you just stick it in and do the hole, and then it comes out a clear hole like this. And then this is your circle, actually, not a hole, your circle. And these are great for when you're making tags to sell products, so forth. So I thought this was a great deal. Again, from Reflections. And I paid $1.29. So again, at the end of the video, there is a big item that I did pick up, and that is in my car, my truck. So I had already pre-filmed that, and that'll be at the end of this video. But hey, if you're new and you're just coming through and trying to figure out what my channel is about, my name is Kel, and here, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I try to go out and find all the deals, like at Walmart, all brand new products, at Dollar Tree. I do a Thrift Store Thursdays, which is bi-weekly. Getting ready to come up with my sewing series in April. And if this is something that you think that you would be interested in following me, make sure you hit the subscribe button, double tap the bell, give me a like, and leave a comment down below and let me know that you're a new subscriber. For all my new subscribers, I thank you, thank you, thank you. For all my old subscribers that have been with me from day one, I could not have done this without y'all. As you know, I have hit over my 500 mark. I am marching towards 600. So again, thank you everyone who has shown me love, come over and given me support, have been watching my videos. Like I always say, if it ain't cheap, Kel's not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Thrift Store Thursday. I'm ready to travel, y'all. I done found me a walker. So when my back gives out, I'll be able to enjoy my vacations. And I'll have my little buggy with me. I only paid $9.99 for my walker. So make sure y'all go over and check out my new channel, Living My Best Life at 50 with Raquel. And on that channel, we're going to talk about diabetes, weight loss journey, sleep apnea, spiritual, mentally, and physical ailments, and road trips. So if you think you'll be interested, come on over and subscribe, because I'm taking my life back one day at a time.